All right, guys. I packed as much as I packed as much as. All right, this is what I did. What's going on, Tony and Ronnie? This is your boy Tony TV, and I'm back with another video. I hope everybody had a great, awesome, great, fabulous, tremendous, good day today. Alright guys, I had a great idea for some dinner tonight. Cabbage and ham. Oh my god. Cabbage and ham. Oh, I didn't know how long it's been since I had cabbage and ham. Alright. I got the cabbage here. I actually got two of these. And I got the ham here that I'm going to slice up. And I'm going to throw it in that there pot right there. Oh, it's going to be a good dinner tonight, bro. Alright, guys. Do me a favor and hit that like button for your boy. It helps out my channel so much. I can't tell you how much a like will help your channel out. It will help out so much. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Enjoying the family, okay? Alright, I want to get dinner started ASAP because I am starving like Marvin. Let's get dinner rolling. Alright guys, I got the I don't know why I be going brain dead sometimes. You ever just be talking and just totally forget about what you want to say? I do that a lot. I do that a lot. Alright, I got the cabbage, okay? I got the cabbage. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to, let me see what I'm going to do. I'll probably slice them down the middle. Well, I'll probably cut this part off right here. Then I'm going to slice it down the middle, then I'm going to wash it off, okay? Alright guys, I got all the cabbage cut up in the pot right here. Now I'm gonna smash it down a little bit because I'm gonna still add water in the ham. So now I'm gonna cut the ham up. You know what? Let's just drink out a little bit. Alright, put that right there. So we can go ahead and cut this ham up. Oh yeah, this is my first time making ham and cabbage, so don't judge me, okay? Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Cutting the rest of that ham up. Come on. All right. See? Voila. Then we're going to go ahead and cut some more up. And cut some more. We still got all this to cut. All right, so let's get to cutting. I think y'all get the idea. My camera's, oh God, my camera's so dirty. I think y'all get the idea. I just cut this ham up. I'm gonna throw this in the pot. I'm gonna put this pot on the stove. Let me start the fire, or the stove, and I'm gonna add some water and some seasoning to that. Get all some light so y'all can see. See, I might add some more whatchamacallit in there, but I'm gonna spread all this out and I'm gonna add some of that to the top. Oh, that's the whatchamacallit. But I do have another thing of cauliflower in there, so I think this is enough. Pack that, get in there. Pack that down there. Pack that down there. All right. I'll be back. All right, guys. I'm gonna add the water to the. I'm sorry, I got y'all like this. I'm gonna add the water to the food. Okay. All right, we're gonna go get some more water. Turn it off. We're gonna need a little bit, well, a little bit more water. I don't know how I'm on 13 minutes already. Jeez. All right, there we go. Voila. All right, I'm gonna add a couple more. I don't know why I got all that ham. Jesus, we at full capacity, man. Look, we at full capacity. That's all right, guys. I packed as much as all right, this is what I did, guys. I put as much as ham as I could on there, and I'm gonna add some seasoning oil, and I'm gonna add some pepper. Remember, this is my first time making this, so don't judge me. I always had it, but literally like my first time making it, so I'm not gonna add much because I know the ham gives off a lot of flavor, and I'm gonna add some pepper to this. Why is my screen so dark? Why is that so dark?
A few moments later.
I'm not done. I put the top on it so it can cook for a little bit. You want to cook it for about 3 or 4 hours, if longer. I don't know how long, but I know you're supposed to cook it for a while. But I'm going to have this on, what time is it, 4? I'm going to have this on for about 3 hours with the top on, okay? That's what it looks like. It's cooking. We turn the flash on. I don't know why it's so dark. But I got this on like 4. As y'all can see, right there, I got it on 4. And I'm going to let that cook for 3 hours. And I'll let y'all know how it came out. You know, I want to start doing mukbangs for y'all. I want to start eating what I cook for y'all. If y'all would like to see that, let me know. The more input, the more the better, and I'll start doing it. So let me know, okay? Alright guys, I'm finally done dinner. It's looking good and it's smelling delicious. Alright, let me show y'all what it looks like still cooking. It's like 5 more minutes and it's done, okay? This is what it looks like. Ham and cabbage. Push that meat down there. Guys, it smells really good. Y'all can't say that don't look good. Yeah, this is done. Alright. I'm going to show y'all what it looks like on a plate. Well, let me just get a nice little shot for the thumbnail. Ham and cabbage. Bam. Thumbnail. Alright guys, I'm going to take it out, turn this off. I'm going to put it on a plate, let y'all see what it looks like on a plate. If y'all made it this far throughout the video, hit that like button for your boy. And thank you for watching. Ham and cabbage. Let me get some light on it. Bam. Let me give you an overhead shot. Alright. That's what it looks like, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Peace out.
Perfect.